Okay, so I've mixed up the grass-fed organic beef with seasonings of ranch. So, Hidden Valley Ranch, ranch dressing, right? You mix those seasonings with sour cream, you get a good dip. Well, I took that seasoning powder, put it in the meat, then mixed in some mozzarella and cheddar cheese with some Salt Lake City salt. Gonna mush these into patties, cook them up, and serve them. It's gonna be a good cheeseburger, inshallah. Alright, sizzling, sizzling. Smelling good. I'll tell you what, look at that. Hello. Cook for me. Ooh, we plated. Looking good, looking good. Mama. Mashallah. Juicy cheeseburger. America. Ooh, a little bit of mustard and mayonnaise. Alright, Ted. Burger's ready. Just wanted to show you another plating.